Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can change the task priority for your tasks, chores and projects in the Todoist planning application. So let us begin. So launch the Todoist mobile app and navigate to your to the task you would like to change the priority for. So let me go to the inbox so that I may see all tasks that are upcoming, or I may head over to the upcoming section as well here at the bottom and tap into the given task you would like to set the priority for. So let me go, for example, with this one here. Wait for it to finish loading, and at the bottom, guys, or below here, below the label, you see that button priority. Tap into it and set one of these priorities, which goes from P1 to P4. P1 is the most urgent one, so let me tap into it, and that is going to set the priority, as you can see. So if you'd like to change it, simply tap into the task priority, into the current one, and let's say it is not that urgent anymore, so let us go with priority 2, and that's it. You don't need to save anything. That is going to change the task priority, and that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.